Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make for breakfast, it is egg sandwiches. This is a little traditional recipe which we've been following usually when we do not have the time to cook elaborate breakfast. And to make a quick breakfast, we usually make egg sandwiches. Also, we use it while traveling too. Today my mother is going to show you how it is made. So come on. The first step is to light the stove. Next step is to place a clean dry pan onto the stove and we wait for the pan to get heated. Now the pan is heated. Drop 10 grams of butter into the pan and we wait for it to melt. Now the butter is melted. We need to drop in 3 onions that we have cut previously into small pieces. Now we mix the butter with the onions. We continuously stir until the onions are soft. Next we add 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. As we wait for the onions to cook, we drop in 3 chillies that we have kept aside. Then we drop in the half-inch ginger that we have cut. Since the taste of the salt is less, we are adding another half teaspoon of salt. Now our onions are soft and the raw taste of the onions have gone away. Next we need to add the tomatoes. We are adding 4 tomatoes that we have chopped. Now we are lowering the flame and we need to cook our vegetables. For this we need to close the tawa. We need to check whether our vegetables has been cooked. We open the tawa. Now our vegetable is cooked. We have cracked 3 eggs that we need to pour it along with the vegetables mixture. Now we pour in the 3 eggs. We drop in the 3 eggs. Mix them together. And we continuously do this on a low flame. We mix the egg and the vegetable ingredients. Please ensure that the egg should not be fully cooked. Now we need to switch off the stove. And we take it off the stove. We need to spread the egg ingredients onto a bread and a yummy tasty sandwich would be ready to be eaten. Do try this recipe at home and let us know in the comment section below. Now we have got around 10 slices of bread with sandwich and is ready to be eaten. Now our Sunday breakfast is ready and we hope you liked watching our videos and we request you to like, share and comment on our videos and our recipes. This will really help us to improve our programming content as well as the recipes that we make. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.